Hello everyone, welcome to Andre Craft Show. It's been a while since my last upload. For today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make this beautiful applique heart. Without further ado, let's start. I will be using 3mm hook size and my 100% acrylic from Yarns and Fins. Thank you for this beautiful yarn. So I will start making a magic ring and chain 3. And next I will make 3 triple or treble crochet. 1, 2, 3. Next I will make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I'm going to chain 2 and I will repeat the pattern in reverse. So first, after chain 2, I'm going to make 4 double crochet. And next will be 3 triple or treble crochet. After making 3 triple crochet, make a chain 2. Then slip stitch. And that's pretty much it. You can now tighten the magic ring and secure all ends. If you want to see a written pattern, please check the comment box below. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and feel free to comment and share. If you want to support me, you can send me a donation through my PayPal link in the description box below. Or you can show your support by sending a super chat while my video is streaming, or by sending a super thanks. For those who are asking where they can use this project, I will show you one of my pin. A simple heart can make a difference with your simple project. So voila! And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, God bless us all. Bye!